positive or a positive divided by a positive, my answer is positive. If I have a negative times a negative or a negative divided by a negative, my answer is positive. If both of my numbers that are in my problem have the same sign, my answer is going to be positive. If both of my numbers have different signs, my answer is going to be negative. Those are your two rules. Okay, memorize them. Okay, do we understand what we're talking about? Okay, let's talk about what we do if we are multiplying. So basically, when you're multiplying, what you're doing is you're combining. You're going to combine equal groups. Okay? Which is basically repeated addition. If you are dividing, what you're going to do, sit down.
I can't see.
Then wait until I move.
Okay.
Okay, doesn't mean you gotta stand up in the chair. Is that necessary? Is it necessary to stand up in the chair? Let's answer, yes or no. Is it? It's necessary?
No.
Okay. To divide, what we're gonna do is we're gonna divide into equal groups. Guys, that is enough. Which means we're going to share equally. Okay, so that's it. That's the lesson on, yes, Kason.
I move right there.
Sure. That's the lesson on multiplying or dividing integers. If our signs are the same, my answer is positive. Even if I am multiplying a negative times a negative, my answer is positive because the rule says that if my signs are the same, my answer is positive. If my signs are different, my answer is negative. So when you're multiplying or dividing numbers, integers, you're just going to multiply or divide just like you normally would that you learned at LSK. What you have to determine is my answer positive or negative? And you can determine that by following the rules. Okay, the harder part is going to be taking what we know about the rules and deciding in a real world situation, meaning a word problem, what operation am I doing? You have to be able to read a word problem and decide, am I multiplying, dividing, adding, or subtracting? That's the hardest part. Okay? But you also need to know, once you figure that out, how you solve it by using the rules, okay, that go with adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing. We've already been talking about adding and subtracting all last week. Multiplying and dividing is not any different. You're just going to multiply or divide just like you would a regular multiplication or division problem, and then decide, is my answer positive or negative based on my rules. Same signs, answer's positive. Different signs, answer's negative. Does everybody have this copied? Okay, we're going to do some practice problems. I want you to write them down and then solve them. That doesn't mean that we're looking around or talking, because I'm going to call on you for the answers. And if you don't know the answer, we're going to sit there until you can solve it. So when I put these problems up there, I want you to write them down and then work them. Okay? Let's go. And I'm going to give you about, I don't know, 8 minutes to solve them. I don't know why we're talking. Let's go.
Write your problems down, Vincent. Look it over.
Oh, this is not.
I don't know how to define regular question.
Guys, I literally said it 15 times. You're just gonna multiply or divide like you normally would. What's 65 divided by 5? Get your answer. And then you're gonna decide, is my answer positive or negative? Well,
Negative.
hey, then
No,
what do you not know how to do? You just did a whole graphic organizer or anchor chart on the rules. Look back to it. What?
What is 65 divided by 6?
You tell me.
Do your
Do your math.
It's 13.
Guys, shh. Go to the next one if you're done.
I haven't even wrote it down.
Okay. Oh my God.
You're the problem too, Mark.
What'd I do?
I just saw you. You instigate a lot of it too. Don't even. Y'all act like I wasn't in here with y'all yesterday.
Wait, where's
So,
I was acting good yesterday.
You didn't do nothing yesterday. Sitting there being quiet, not doing nothing, ain't acting good.
I did do something.
You sat on number 3 for about half the class. But don't argue with me because I went over there and checked on you.
My number 17.
So it took you 45 minutes to get to the 17?
When you do that many but get more than that's
What
all
the frick are you doing?
What did I get? I think I got
right. Okay.
Why did you launch yourself?
All right, here we go. 65 divided by 5. What'd you get, Kason?
negative 13.
Negative 13. Perfect. Why is it negative?
Because they're different.
Signs are different. Negative 81 divided by negative 9. Case to geese. What'd you get?
Positive 9.
Positive 9. Why is it positive?
Because they're the same.
Signs are the same.
Yeah.
Negative 76 divided by 19. Luke, what'd you get?
Negative 6.
Negative 6. Why is it negative 6?
It's because the signs are different.
Signs are different. Negative 56 divided by negative 8. Lindley, what'd you get? Negative 56 divided by negative 8.
7.
7. Why is it positive?
Because they're
Signs are the same. 12 times negative 8. Hunter, what'd you get?
What?
12 times negative 8. What'd you get?
I didn't get that one.
Okay, well, what are we waiting on? Vincent, what'd you get? 12 times negative 8. What's 12 times 8?
48.
Guys, I'm talking about Vincent. What's 12 times 8? Okay, is it positive or negative? Why is it positive?
Because they're negative.
It's negative. Negative 96. All right, negative 6 times negative 6. Ashlyn, what did you get? Negative 6 times negative 6. Positive 36, because my signs are the same. Negative 16 times 6. Will, what'd you get?
What? On what?
Negative 16 times 6.
Next. I'm not on that.
Okay, do it.
He's not on any problem.
Hush.
Yeah, I am.
Yeah, he is. Bet they're working. Mind your business. What do you got, Asen?
What?
What do you got? Do you got an answer? Okay, stay in your lane. What do you got, Will?
On what?
Negative 16 times 6.
I'm not on there yet.
I know, but I want you to do it. Negative 16 times 6.
Times 6.
96. And is it positive or negative?
Wait, it was minus 16?
Yep.
Minus 16.
So negative, right?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Negative 14 times negative 5. What you got, Rylan? Positive 70, because why? Signs are the same. Okay? Do we understand what you are doing?
No.
You should. Why do you not?
It's pretty easy.
Explain to me why you don't, Mark, since you wanted to shout out no.
Because
You raised your hand that you had the answer on every one. So please explain to me why. Yeah, you did. Please explain to me why you don't think you don't know what's going on.
I thought we had to like actually solve it, not that just if it's the same, it's positive. And if it's not,
you still have to actually solve it, but then you have to figure out what's your sign. So if you have two negatives, what does it make?
positive.
So you would still do your division the same, but you would make your positive number because they're negative. Got it? If the sign's negative, it doesn't matter if it's a bigger number or a smaller number. You're going to divide it like you normally would. but make it what? No, negative.
Okay, get signed into
Huh?
Wayground. I'm gonna give you the code.
Oh, yeah. That one, how do you find it?
Huh?
That one can't get in.
0.
Is it 0, 3? Never mind.
Hey, why do you need a code?
If y'all want to be my first viewer,
I don't want you to do the one I put in Google Classroom. I want you to go to Playground and I want you to join a game and I'm gonna give you the code.
if you show your face, like I'm getting banned.
Yo, why is my character look fun? It's unblocked. My character's done. I know it's done.
I want to make it that.
Huh?
Alright, here we go. The code is two zero 9686. 209686. Two zero 9686.
What is this? Wait. Miss Bruce? Miss Bruce, what is this?
It's a word problem. What you mean?
It's a,
Miss Bruce, what was it?
it's a back.
Wait, wait,
Oh, I don't know what that is.
Yeah, look.
You're on something else.
I am? I put 20209686.
2020.
209686.
You said
80 questions.
209686.
Is this for grades?
Yep.
Oh, you're in the
Y'all sitting there, y'all got a whole calculator. You should be able to do it in about 10 in a minute.
It's still 80
It
questions.
doesn't matter. Sit there and work.
This is like Tom Cook.
we do.
Where do we work